I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so, so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
Nice easy hill, guys, really easy. That's literally it. Went up there, lovely views, and that's the car park there. Nice and easy.
So here we are at the Honister Slate Mine, just down there. So we fancied just doing an easy one this weekend, and it's only probably about 1.5 miles from the car, but it is straight up. It's quite a steep climb. We should be there in an hour, and then planning to camp on Dale Head. You can't camp on the summit, it's so rocky you can't get the pegs in. So I've camped up here before, but I just wanted to have your knee up here and just show around a bit.
What summit can't you camp on?
Dale Head.
So we're not on that one?
We're not right on the summit, you just got to go off it a bit.
Ah.
It's just very rocky.
Okay. Yeah, and just like a week ago we were in the Langdales, and that was really good. I enjoyed that. Don't know if I've actually like put that out yet or not. I don't know what order I'm going to put these out in, but yeah, I've packed extremely light. There's only like 5 kilograms in there, so David's doing all the heavy carrying for me, aren't you?
What?
I don't think you heard me. You're doing all the heavy carrying.
Yeah.
That rucksack weighs a ton. Think about it. I'd usually carry 14. He's got one. I mean, yeah. Anyway, so onwards and upwards. It's not quite Ascent, is it? But we'll be up there soon, won't we? A couple of weeks. So let's see how this goes. That's beautiful. Don't know what's going on, guys. This happened last time as well. I was feeling sick. I feel the exact same way today. I really don't know why. Maybe my body's... We've barely gone far. I'll fight through it. Onwards and upwards. Yep. Love that. How does it work? Is that gonna work? Yeah. Right, so we've met Alice. She's from Poland. I'm from Scotland. So Alice is also bivvying at the top. She's come from away over there from Scarfield Pike.
Whatever I...
Long way. So yeah. So we're all going up to the same summit tonight. But it's good to see other people going up too. So yeah. And these are the views right now. So David's just gone off. I don't know what he's doing. Anyway.
It's up and down.
Yeah, so it's probably like 5 miles or something, isn't it, really?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
I go for up this time. Just man.
This is the summit, guys. And that's, I believe that's Skiddaw over there in Little Man, I think. And over to the Solway coast, and there's Sheep Bar. And then that's all Scarfield Pike. I'm getting familiar now, look at this! Look at this, I'm getting Scarfield Pike and Scarfell. I'm getting great at this. I'm not even in my English films, you know. But yeah, so I'll give you a look over here. Come down, we'll get the drone up soon. Woo! That's amazing! Look at that. That's brilliant. I was just taking a little stroll going in them. They're showing where there's a nice little tarn here as well, apparently, for camping. Lower down off the summit. I don't know what it's called. I'll put the name here. But it's good if you want to get some, like, you know, shelter and stuff. So David's kindly set the tent up. I went slower up the hill. Just had a nice long chat with our new friend. But she's not got a tent, so tonight the rain's meant to come in. It's a bit windy as well. It increases overnight, so we're just showing her where a nice place to shelter. Oh my god, it's windy. But oh my god, look at this, guys. How amazing. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely amazing. Stunning, this, eh? I wouldn't have got these views if I hadn't come along following the view. I can't catch up. But yeah, this is incredible. I love it. Okay, I've said it too many times. I'm just going to keep walking. I'll speed you up a bit. So it's not Scotland, alright, lots of people around. But yeah, down there is just where that tarn is. A lot of people go and, again I'll put the name, a lot of people go and camp there, but we are of course on the summit with our Aklak Hulleberg. Yeah, so see you guys back on the top. Try to stick the drone up. What a fantastic picture. Once again, well done David for taking us to this fantastic place in the Lake District. Loving it. Such an easy one too. That's it, guys. Got my legs up here. Look at that.
So look at this. It's 10 to 8 now. The sun sets about 8:30. So the sun's going down there. Views out to the Irish Sea, and then over this way. Look at that. So atmospheric. There's a pillar there. Through the gap you can see the Irish Sea. Probably the Isle of Man's out there somewhere. I can't see it. And then coming across to Kirkfell, the clouds just all sat on top of Kirkfell, Great Gable, coming right across to Great End there. It just looks so good, lit up by the sun as well. Look at that. Look at that though. And again, if we look round this way, got Robinson over there, Hindscarth, and then right in the distance, Grassmore's got cloud on top of it as well. Skiddaw's clear. Now that's a change. Skiddaw being clear. Unbelievable.
I've got my bank card. Apparently, and you need bank cards up in mountains, you know. Apparently you need bank cards. Doing quite well without a selfie stick, to be honest with you. Loving my ham sandwich. It's ham, cheese and pickle. I quite like it. Really good. I'm not supposed to be eating meat right now, but I am. I keep saying I'm going to go back to my vegan diet, but I'm not. Don't know if you can see that, but look, it's all clagged in over at Scarfell. Literally how far away the no visibility is from us. So lucky. So this is the tent setup. Got thermal rest, sleeping mats, a nice 4 season sleeping bag. Mine's not out yet, it's still in there. And yeah, Hilleberg Alac 2. Get a brew on. What happened was I threw this and it landed. So this is how David likes to have his milk in his tea.
No, I said I'd like some milk in my tea if you don't mind. And whiz, boing.
Boing. Guys, what time is it? I've not checked.
7:15.
7:15. There you go. Clagged in as expected, and it was raining all night. From that nice sunset. There you go, guys. I'm gonna get a bit more kip and see when I wake up. Hopefully it opens up a bit, but who might know. Okay, ciao. Packing up now. Got my trail shoes on. They're gonna get soaked going down. First time I've had them soaked since I was hill running, which was months ago. It'll be a bit of a strange sensation. Luckily it's been on and off raining, but we're surrounded by sheep. It's going to eventually rain on the way down probably. This guy seems interested in what I'm doing right now. What are you looking at? Yeah, sticking the tent away. Brilliant weather in the Lake District today. Wind's all dropped completely. I think these other guys that were over there are still over there, aren't they? If they'd left, what way down would they have gone? Same way as us.
Probably come up here and gone back the same way we came up, yeah.
So we've not heard them, have we?
No.
Packing away. It's opening up over there, guys, a little bit, but it's forecast to be closed all day really. Sun's gonna show a bit of light. This is the summit. Interestingly made summit. Absolutely. Oh, look at a rock. Mind you, I never did that on any of my Munros, so my bad. There we go, so this is what I was looking at, it's that contrast, see there? The colours, eh? That's beautiful. So we're going! Nice simple walk back down. What's it called again? The devil's something or the...
No,
something.
That's not it.
What is it? It's raining! Raining. This is nice. Raining over there. Feet are still relatively dry, which is quite surprising. No sealskins on today either, just merino wool. I keep falling. Right. Just going to check out now because that's the car park in view, guys. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to go over to David's channel. So this whole summit here. Aye. Till next time, which I'm really excited about, will be Ascent. David doesn't seem excited. Excited? For what we've got in stock?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Ciao.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up.